How to unmute story on Instagram. Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to our new video. And in today's video I'm exactly going to show you how to unmute the story of a particular account that you have muted. It's going to be a quick and easy video, so let's jump right into it. Firstly, I'm going to show you how you can mute a particular person's story. You simply tap open their story and tap on the three dots on the top right and you'll have an option of mute. Tap on mute story and that particular account story will be muted. Now it's not going to show up in this. Now in order to unmute it again, if they have added a story recently, you'd be able to see it on the last, but if they haven't, you need to search for the usernames on the search bar right here. After you open up their profile, you can simply tap open their stories option and then again tap on the three dots on the top right and then tap on unmute story. And just like that, the stories will be unmuted. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today and I'll be back with more.